Hi, my name is Russ, and this is my wife Naomi. We live in a small town in Mexico called Puerto Peñasco, also known as Rocky Point. Besides fishing and Mexican culture, the area is known for clean beaches and natural surroundings, and it's where we choose to live, work, and play. Cholla Bay is a small fishing village close by that is a rare find in today's world. It's where we started Mexicosis, a project to rehabilitate old homes and make them beautiful again. We hope you enjoy this series of videos on our project. The house is coming along. The fireplace has been smoothed out, honeycombed. You'll have to look back at some of the other videos to see what it looked like before. It was pretty bad. The house is cleaned out pretty much. The floor is being torn up, and what's funny is when they were tearing up the old tile, which is just asbestos tile, they started pulling up the tile in the kitchen and noticed that the floor was only 2 inches thick, and so it wasn't sufficient. So they made the decision to go ahead and pour a brand new 3.5-inch floor in the kitchen, dining room, and then the utility closet. We have the windows are all installed. That was started last week and completed this week. Floors are in the bathroom. The new bedroom with the new floor in and window. So coming along very nicely. Once the paint is done, then we will build the cabinets and install the doors and trim paint everything out. Our mechanical closet here. The house has turned out amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. I just couldn't be happier with the work that the guys have done. The rooms measure about 12 feet by 12 feet. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This is the bathroom. This is called the mermaid shower. And it's an open shower concept. It works out really well in these little bathrooms. This is the second bedroom, 12 by 12 as well, with its own little mermaid shower. Well, it's the first Saturday of October, 2018. We've got the One Club Open, the JJ's One Club Open going on right now. Beautiful morning in Rocky Point. We're actually in Cholla Bay right now. Soshi's restaurant, totally busy. Like it always is starting in October. Oh, look who's this. What are you looking at?
Hey, I like how you guys put a little kitchen area up here. So you're going to tile this countertop?
I think so.
And then we got a little sink, a cook area. So
yeah, I really like that.
Put a grill top on here. And then you're going to put a little wooden
some kind of a shade. I haven't really figured out what kind of a shade.
The front porch what they're building today.
Oh yeah, let's take a look up there really quick.
Look from here.
Hey, look, long shadows.
Oh, and this rooftop is all finished up now.
Yeah, we just had a major rain and none of the 3 houses leaked, not a drop. So this is what they're working on today.
Hola! So we have the back porch.
Uh-huh.
And we have what will be a little shower right here.
Perfect.
Which is a new addition that we came up with. I came up with.
You did.
Super smart. I think we mentioned
Super
it
smart.
already.
We did. We mentioned it already.
Shower outside.
Well, yeah, but that was a long time ago.
You know what? You can't. The people that are eating breakfast won't even be able to see you showering.
No, if you can't see them, they can't see you.
Exactly. Okay.
All right.
So let's go inside and look at what has changed.
Okay. I'm right behind you.
Wood frames in.
Okay.
By the handy dandy.
I know that
frame
carpenter guy. Yeah. It's so neat to see it cleaned out and like almost done.
The next thing you're doing is painting, right?
Yes.
And we're going to paint it bright purple. No,
I don't think so.
White, clean white.
Yep. Then if somebody buys the house and they want to change a wall color here, there, whatever color they want.
Tile for this.
Uh-huh.
Some more wood casings.
Yes, wood casings.
Casing the joint. Oh, we have mermaid showers. This one is so cute. I just love it.
So why is it called a mermaid shower?
Because we painted blue with swimming pool paint.
Yes.
And it just has a look of like if a mermaid were to have a shower, it would be all smooth around and
So it's kind of cool.
flowy and not like a hard shower.
Right,
or
right.
A creepy, dirty, moldy shower
Oh,
curtain.
and you can't buy these at Home Depot either.
No, it's just, I don't know. I don't know why it's a mermaid shower, but that's what it's called. I called it that.
And it's really cool because you don't need a shower curtain the way that it's designed. You don't need a shower curtain, you don't need a door. So there's two things you don't have to have, and it just is a really good
It's all
design.
painted, it's just super cute.
It's
Okay.
super cute.
And this is the teeny tiny, this is for the small mermaid. This is the teeny tiny bathroom.
Hey, I checked my body out and it fits, so.
Oh yeah. And then we have the other mermaid shower.
They're just so pretty.
Yeah.
Like the design on them is really nice.
I love them.
Yeah.
So.
Perfect.
And then front bedroom, ready to go, ready to paint. And everything is pretty cleaned out. They were doing some, oh yeah, Mr. Casing guy left sawdust.
Well, we have to have something to burn.
Somebody didn't sweep.
All right. I'm going to
And
turn.
just
Okay.
check it out right here, and here's the front porch going up.
Yeah, and what's really cool about this, so we talked about reusing and recycling. So what the rafters are the old rafters on the house that have been stripped of their nails and everything. That way we maintain some of the old of the house. We call it the soul of the house. So it's kind of neat. We recycle as much as we can. Working on some carpentry work today, bungalow number 3. It's the 17th of October. The house is cleaned out and pretty close to ready to paint. I have the doors cased, and I'm going to be hanging the interior doors, the exterior doors today, and getting it prepped for paint. And I hope on Thursday we can paint the interior. We already have our really bright color picked out for the exterior, so it's all coming together, looking really good. Today is paint day. It's sometime in October. I'm not sure what day it is. Almost ready. We're masking off right now. Listening to Jenny and the Mexicats. Beautiful October in Sonora, Mexico.
Hey Russ, I love that back door. It's great.
It is great. I really like it too.
So we wanted to find a door that would be security, but also with the window in it, because we lost our kitchen window here and we're going to move our sink out to the other area. So we would have had a really dark dining room, kitchen area here, but with this door we have sunlight. It's beautiful.
It really is.
Really pretty door. So we got all the interior of the house painted, and I haven't been out here in a long time, like, I don't know, maybe a month, because I was sidetracked, because I was doing my fashion show the first part of November.
Right.
And thus, I was not around anywhere out here.
Well, that's okay because the guys are still busy working, so.
Well, it looks nice. The whole interior is painted this beautiful white that's just going to be great with the trim colors to make it sunny and large and pretty, and I love it.
That white paint really does make the room big, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. So the whole interior is painted. The door frames are in. The doors are painted, just not put on the hinges yet. That'll be here really soon.
Pretty quick.
And then now that we have it painted, we can pick out tile. Ooh, the next video will be at the tile store. And then over here we have our front door, which is equally cool. Kind of a one-of-a-kind little different door than what we've used before.
Right.
I think it's really pretty. So
Turned out really nice. That's a heavy-duty door.
it's nice. And then we also, it's solid wood. And then out here we did part of the exterior painting, and the colors are bright, kind of a little bit along the same lines of our other colors on the street here. But this one is a little bit more green blue, a little more of the sunny ocean color. And then we're going to have a trim, which isn't on here yet, that's going to be like a wood tan, contrasting a little bit of wood color to this dark patio shade.
I really like that dark wood color up there.
They're really stained dark. So, all right, that's it. End of November.